Freshly Cosmetics was born like 6 years ago in 2016. We want to provide our customers, our Freshly fans, a natural product, but also it's efficient. We are not just selling products, we are selling a lifestyle.
For this specific project, we had a very punctual problem, or let's say challenge. We want to keep sustainability, but as well we want to give a better user experience to the clients. Our clients are always motivated, and they give us the power to go ahead and to take the risk, and then the answer is it's very positive. The past year and this year we have been working with Stora Enso. We found a very high value proposal. We have been looking for partners that could fulfill these needs of finding new materials, more sustainable, that offer a new solution to the market, and that it's in line with our values. So yeah, that's how we found Stora Enso and how we started collaborating.